Imagine cruising down the highway in what seems like a vessel from the future, a spaceship on wheels that redefines modern travel. Welcome to the era where practicality meets space-age luxury. I'm your host, the Speed Freak Show, and today we're unfolding the future, the Hyundai Staria 2025. Hyundai has always been a trailblazer, but with the Staria, they've launched us straight into tomorrow. You've seen its teases and heard whispers of its arrival, but now it's almost here, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. Let's fasten our seatbelts and dive deep into this cosmic adventure on four wheels. Stepping inside the Hyundai Staria 2025 is like walking into a sci-fi novel. Its sweeping panoramic windows aren't just windows, they are your portal to the stars. And with a single touch, the ambient lighting transforms your drive into an interstellar journey. But it's not just about the sleek design. The Staria comes packed with a galaxy of features. From its advanced intelligent driving systems to its ultra-modern infotainment unit, driving convenience is just the tip of the asteroid. With a flexibly spacious interior, Staria comfortably seats up to 11 occupants, each astronaut and passenger, set to enjoy a first-class ride. Whether you're commanding the helm or relaxing in the passenger suite, this MPV provides out-of-this-world comfort. And let's talk about power, because under the hood lies an engine with enough thrust to satisfy any space cadet, delivering an impressive 237 horsepower. Hybrid and electric models whisper through the cosmos with barely a sound, and the traditional gas engine thrums with the power of 1,000 suns. The sleek exterior isn't just for show. Its aerodynamic design was crafted with the wind in mind, making every launch smooth and every re-entry a glide. And with a focus on sustainability, Hyundai's promise for a greener future shines bright in Staria's eco-friendly options. Safety is as essential as ever in the Staria 2025. Hyundai has strapped in advanced driver assistance systems that act like an onboard co-pilot, making every trip a safe expedition. We're not just here to sell you a vehicle. We're here to introduce you to a travel partner that will make every journey mesmerizing. The Hyundai Staria 2025 is where technology, safety, and comfort orbit around exhilarating design, all ready for liftoff by December 2025. Let's recap. Hyundai Staria 2025 is an MPV masterpiece with seating for up to 11. Under the hood lies a mighty 237 horsepower engine. Its spacious, luxurious interior meets cutting-edge technology. A greener, safer, smoother ride with looks that could thrill a comet. This, dear viewers, is the future of family vehicles. Thank you for joining this stellar journey through the cosmos as we explored the Hyundai Staria 2025. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a ticket to the future, and it could be parked in your driveway before you know it. If you're as starstruck by the Staria as we are, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive adventures and the latest space-worthy wheels. I'm Speed Freak Show, and it's been a pleasure guiding you across this automotive galaxy. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and wheels on the road. Safe travels, and thank you for watching.